Y'all, I just finished organizing the refrigerator. Every time I open the door now, I can hear the angels singing. Wait until you see what I'm using to organize my refrigerator, along with some really fun fashion finds on this week's edition of What I Bought Wednesday. Hey y'all, and welcome to this week's edition of What I Bought Wednesday, where I share all of my favorite finds from the week, things that are bringing me joy, things that are making my life easier. All of the items that I'm sharing are linked in the description below. If you have any trouble finding them, just click on the title of the video and all of the links will be there. But as always, if you guys have any questions about anything I'm sharing, just let me know and I may have some answers. I love to do the shopping for both of us. Okay, so I wanted to start with some fun refrigerator finds. So two things, let me pull them over here, that I actually literally just took them out of the refrigerator, and then these as well. So y'all, you know my story. You know that I went on this whole healthy weight loss journey. I lost 105 pounds. And one thing I discovered along the way, one thing that's helped me, number one, drinking water. And number two is food prep. Making sure all of my food is prepped and ready and easy to go so I don't have any excuses to eat healthy. So I went through my refrigerator, I cleaned it all out, which is so satisfying. I threw away all the stuff that was expired. Just between us, there's a little bit of, just a tiny bit of expired things. And then I prepped all of my food for the week. So a couple of fun finds I found were these refrigerator bins. And the fun thing is they're stackable and clear. I discovered anything in the refrigerator, I like it clear so I can just open the door and figure out where everything is. They come with, let me hold this up so you guys can see, they come with these little ridges on the bottom, which really helps to pull the moisture away. A couple of people recommended to me you can even add a paper towel in the bottom of the organizer to just keep your fruit really fresh and organized. But the best part is they stack on top of each other. I will go ahead and link them below. I think the set I actually ordered one set and then I ordered another. I got so excited, I kept ordering sets. So I'll put a couple of different options that I have in the refrigerator, along with an entire post I have on organizers that I use in my home. I'll put that as well in the description. But the key with these is, I think they come in a set of, I think there are 4 larger ones and 4 smaller ones, and they stack on top of each other, which saves so much space in the refrigerator, and then you can see everything. Okay, but my really favorite thing, oh, you guys, I never thought that an organizer would bring me as much joy as these organizers. So I just want you to hear, okay, I'm gonna try to be silent and not talk for just a second so you guys can hear what this sounds like. Are you ready? Okay, so here's my blueberries. And these blueberries, you can see how fresh they are. These are about a week old. Okay, listen to this. So you put the top down and you press it, listen. Oh, and then listen to this click. Oh! Wait, let me do that again. Is that not the best sound ever? Okay, so fresh blueberries. And first of all, I wash all the fruit, of course, and put it into these little Rubbermaid containers. Okay, hold on. Now listen, first there's the whoosh, and then there's the click. Let's go. I am sold. So I cut up celery and put celery in it, but it was all, and you can see the different sizes here. I will link all of these below. But the key is, y'all, everything was already washed and prepared. So like, let's say I'm heading out the door, I just grab a little container of blueberries, which everyone's telling me are superfood. So I just grab the container of blueberries, I grab the container of the celery. Everything is washed. I love these little cheeses just as a little snack, just quickly to grab. Everything is clean, washed, fresh, organized, and stackable. Let's go. All right, if you like an organized refrigerator as much as I do, I will link everything below. Okay, now the next find, this is very random because you know, it's what I bought Wednesday. It's what I'm enjoying, things that bring me joy. Look at these scissors. Are they not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I don't know why scissors bring me so much joy with these scissors. I think because with a blog, I do a lot of photography and a lot of I don't know, just different crafts. And these scissors, look at how absolutely adorable. I have them in my organizers in the junk drawer there. And every time I open it, these scissors just bring me 100% joy. So I will go ahead and link these below just in case you need it. It's a very random fun find, but again, this is all about things that are making me smile and bringing me joy. Okay, so I wanted to share a couple of fun little finds. Look at this top, y'all. Seriously. Okay, now, just between us, I totally took a chance. I saw it and I was like, will I like it? Will I not like it? I'm not really sure. But look at how, so it comes with this tie. You can put the tie around. Let me show you. Tie it into a bow at the neck. If you are looking for maybe a little, you know, a little more structured look. And let me show you what it looks like after you tie it. It's so cute, but then the tie is also detachable. If you didn't want to tie it, you just want to wear the shirt like this, but look at this adorable little tie on the front. Look at how cute. Now, let me tell you how I wore it. Oh, and let me show you the sleeves. The sleeves are amazing. They have this extra little, almost like a pleated kind of detail on the sleeves with these cuffs and these little adorable little white buttons, and then the front has white buttons as well. But I wore this pulled back in a side pony with these pearl earrings, so you can kind of get a visual on what it looked like with pink pants. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, spring. I'm looking at you. Just such a fun little option. If this was too much for you, I mean, another option is to just wear it like this with a fun necklace. Just a real statement, under $25 for this, y'all. Now, it does run a tiny bit small, so make sure that you size up, because I think the sleeves were a little bit tight, so you just wanna make sure that you size up on it. Okay, now, everyone's always asking me what my jeans are, and I just took these, I've been wearing these on repeat. I took them out of my closet. These are this fun Good Threads brand. Really, here's all the reasons why I love the jeans. Number one, super stretchable, super stretchable, high-waisted, and let's go, a little bit of extra room back here. And they come in tons of different, there's a little bit more distressed, a little bit less distressed. This is just a good basic jean. Now, one question that I always get asked is, what are the length? I am 5 feet tall, y'all. That is not a lot of tallness. Okay, and when you cut, I just cut off the bottom of the jeans and just distress them. So the jeans that are pictured, they have a slight little tiny flare at the bottom if you are taller, but I cut most of that off when I distress them. The Good Threads brand by Amazon, let's go. Okay, and I paired them with this sweater, another super fun find. This is, now this runs really large. This is actually an extra small. You can see kind of the size of this. It is so cozy, so soft, the perfect sweater to transition from now into spring. But look at this fun little detail. Look at the back. Oh, it has a tiny little slit in the back of it. These amazing bell sleeves that are so cozy. The sleeves do run a little bit long. I kind of like that. It just made me feel even cozier. I wore it with these jeans, and I did a little bit of a front tuck with a sweater, and then I left the pleated part hanging in the back, but just a fun little option, so soft and so cozy. It's by The Drop. It's an Amazon brand, and just the perfect, it was just such a surprise when I put it on, and I'm like, oh, I think I need to wear that on repeat. Just fun option. Okay, so the very last thing that I want to share with y'all, oh, I guess that's everything that I have. I had some earrings. I mean, I couldn't talk about these earrings. They are amazing, but I think I've already shared these with y'all. So those are all of my fun finds, a little bit of refrigerator organization, a fun pair of scissors, and some fun fashion finds. As always, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Just to bring me so much joy. I'm so appreciative for you. Thank you for following along with my channel. If you guys could do me a favor, let your friends know, tell them to subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow, and I'm so appreciative. But as always, and I always close with this, y'all, all of this stuff is so fun. Having an organized refrigerator, gold. Having a fun, cozy sweater, absolute gold. But only buy the things that bring you joy. Surrounding yourself with things that you love, filling your home with things that bring you joy is the true secret of contentment. And now, my wonderful, amazing, incredible friend, go take on the day and have a day as amazing as you are.